Let's now move on. We have review. Now this basically is with respect to your spell checks. For example, you have spelling errors to be found out. You can come over here. You have a thesaurus. You can translate something. You can add a comment. Okay, you can have the options for protecting your worksheet. Again, yes, we are going to understand this in later parts of our tutorials. Finally, the view tab. Okay. Now let's understand this taking some time. Now current view that you are able to see is a normal view. Let's click on page break preview over here. Let's see what happens. Can you see? Now this is my page 1. So now page break preview is basically useful when you are trying to print your Excel sheet. Okay, so we will again come to this. We have something called as page layout, which is also a different form of layout which is present. You can also custom your views. Okay, so coming back to the normal view that we have. Okay, so I hope that you have understood what the ribbon consists of. Okay, and again, one more important feature that Excel 2016 has is wherein you can type anything that you want to search. So it will ask that tell me what you want to do. Okay, just tell me. So you can start typing anything, or if you want to add a comment, it will tell you how to add a comment. Let's click on that. Let's click on insert comment. See, the comment is now available. So quite a useful thing. I'll remove this as well. Okay, now coming to a quick access toolbar. After ribbons, let's come over here. Okay, can you see the save button? This is the undo button and this is the redo button. So this basically is called your quick access toolbar. Okay, so very important feature that you have over here is you can also customize your quick access toolbar. So you just have to click on this arrow over here, which is for customizing your quick access toolbar. I'm clicking on it and you can see we have save option, which is enabled. We have undo and redo, which are enabled, and these are this we are able to see over here. Okay, so let's enable this print preview. Okay, so now print preview and print is available, which is present over here. If I want to remove it, I'll just again click on that and it gets removed. But what if I want some more option and it is not available over here? So in that case, you can come to more commands. So let's see what is there for you in more commands. These are the various commands you can add over here. Okay, so since we were trying to add a shape in some time before, let's click on shapes over here. I have added. I just clicked on shapes. I clicked on add and I click on OK. So can you see now shape is displayed in the quick access toolbar. If I want to remove it, what will I do? I'll again go to more commands. I'll click on shapes, which was added, and I'll remove it. Okay, so now shapes is removed from our quick access toolbar. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention over here is this fx function, that is insert function. Now when we came to formulas, we saw different types of formulas which are available, but you can also click on this fx button and you can see this dialog box opening up, wherein you can insert different functions. Like you can select the category of functions, financial, date and time, the same thing that we saw over here. If you do not want to do it from there, you can click on this function button and start by inserting your function from here. Okay, for logical, if I'm just clicking on logical, okay, I want to insert some logical function. So what I'll do, I'll click on logical and then I can select any function which I want to insert. Okay, so let's not do it now. We will do it in some future tutorials. Okay, so what do we learn from this tutorial? We saw the format of the Excel sheet, we saw the status bar, we saw the toolbar, we also saw the scroll bar, and two major things, that is we saw the ribbons and we saw the quick access toolbar. So hope that you have understood these main things that we have done in this tutorial.